My name is Patrick Terhark. I work here at Metalcraft and I am the RFID engineer. One of the reasons it's a really good idea to test any type of RFID tag that we send out as samples is there are many different types of materials out there, and just because you say plastic, well, it might be a specific type of plastic, and different inlays perform differently with other materials. So it's usually a good idea to test your sample tag on your particular material in order to get the best RFID tag for your particular application.
In this video, we're discussing how to test RFID tags for plastic. Want to learn about testing on other materials? Check out the links below.
So to apply one of our just regular tags, one of the important parts is to be able to not place it anywhere near metal. So you can kind of see this area over here, there's going to be metal around, so it's best to just place it as far away as you can and around it, and make sure it's placed solidly on the item that you want to be able to track. That's usually what's best for our tags.
Now that the tag's applied, it's time to perform a scan with your RFID reader.
So you'll want to make sure your reader's turned on. Get a good connection. The easiest way for me to do any kind of testing is to simply go to the inventory. I know what inlay I'm looking at, which is this one, and it gives you the option to do a read and write as well as a Geiger search. Press OK. But before that, go to settings and make sure that your power is at 300. For this particular reader, that's the max. And this is also a circular reader, which means you don't have to necessarily have it at any particular direction. It should read exactly the same, however way you have it. So go into this neat option here for your Geiger search. Simply go there and you can start testing. Now it'll give you your RSSI. So that's kind of the average RSSI at this point. What I like about this option is that you're able to go as far away and at many different angles as you'd like, so you can see what that distance is going to be for any particular tag. The reason for that is whenever you go into any kind of location, you kind of want to know what is that good read range to be able to get all of my inventory. For this particular one, we're looking at about 7 feet or so, which means that whenever we go into any kind of location, as long as we're 7 feet away, we should be able to basically find all the chairs that we need. That's usually how we do some quick testing.
Want to test our RFID tags for yourself? Request a sample today.